Hello everyone. Welcome back to Jhon Financial, where we're all about empowering you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. Today, buckle up as we dive into a topic that resonates with many of us: financing a car with less than perfect credit. Whether you've faced financial hurdles or are just starting to build your credit, we've got a roadmap to help you cruise through the process. In this video, we're going full throttle into a step-by-step guide on how to finance a car when your credit score is playing hard to get. From checking your credit score to negotiating the best terms, we've got you covered. So, if you've ever wondered how to turn those credit roadblocks into a smooth ride towards car ownership, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's hit the road together. Financing a car with bad credit can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Check your credit score. Begin by obtaining a copy of your credit report to understand your credit score. Review the report for any errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting your score. Being aware of your credit score provides insight into your financial standing and helps you gauge the type of financing you may qualify for. 2. Determine your budget. Assess your monthly income and expenses to establish a realistic budget for a car payment. Consider additional costs such as insurance, maintenance, and registration fees. Having a clear understanding of your financial situation will guide your decision-making throughout the car financing process. 3. Save for a down payment. While challenging, saving for a down payment is essential, especially when dealing with bad credit. A down payment of 10 to 20% can improve your chances of loan approval and result in more favorable loan terms. It also demonstrates to lenders that you are financially committed to the purchase. 4. Research lenders specializing in bad credit. Look for lenders and financial institutions that specialize in providing loans to individuals with bad credit. Explore options such as local credit unions, online lenders, and dealerships offering in-house financing. These lenders may be more understanding of your credit situation and willing to work with you. 5. Pre-qualify for a loan. Take advantage of pre-qualification offers from lenders. This process provides you with an estimate of the loan amount, interest rate, and terms you may qualify for without significantly impacting your credit score. Pre-qualification helps you understand your options and narrow down potential lenders. 6. Explore co-signing options. If possible, ask a friend or family member with a good credit history if they would be willing to co-sign the loan. A co-signer provides additional assurance to lenders and may lead to more favorable loan terms. However, it's crucial to communicate clearly with the co-signer about their responsibilities and potential risks. 7. Compare loan offers. Gather quotes from multiple lenders to compare interest rates, loan terms, and fees. Focus on finding the most affordable option that aligns with your budget. Carefully review and understand all aspects of the loan offers, including any potential penalties or fees associated with late payments. 8. Choose the right car. Be realistic about the type of car you can afford. Consider opting for a reliable used car rather than a brand new vehicle to reduce overall costs. Research different makes and models to find a vehicle that meets your needs while staying within your budget constraints. 9. Negotiate the terms. Don't hesitate to negotiate the terms of the loan, including the interest rate and monthly payments. Be prepared to discuss your budget and any factors that may positively influence the lender's decision. Negotiating may lead to more favorable terms and ensure that the financing aligns with your financial goals. 10. Understand the terms and conditions. Before finalizing any agreement, carefully read and understand all the terms and conditions of the loan. Pay attention to details such as the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any potential penalties for late payments. Being well-informed helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures a transparent lending arrangement. 11. Make timely payments. Once the loan is secured, prioritize making all payments on time. Timely payments not only fulfill your financial obligations but also contribute positively to your credit history. Consistent, on-time payments can gradually improve your credit score, opening better financing options in the future. Remember, patience and diligence are crucial when financing a car with bad credit. Focus on building a positive credit history through responsible financial behavior, and over time, you may qualify for more favorable loan terms. And there you have it, we've reached the finish line of our bad credit car finance journey. I hope you found our step-by-step guide helpful and that you're feeling empowered to tackle the open road of car ownership, no matter what your credit score says. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video useful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family who might be navigating the same financial highway. Subscribe to my channel for more money-smart content that puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. As you embark on your car buying adventure, keep in mind that patience, diligence, and a bit of financial finesse can turn those credit challenges into a victory lap. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. We're all about building a community that supports each other on the road to financial freedom.